Hi parents, teachers, and caregivers. Today we are doing this letter E phonics worksheet from daycareworksheets.com. I will show you now how to download it for free, but if you already have it downloaded, you can skip on ahead to the interactive learn along portion of the video where your child or student will be able to complete this worksheet while watching this video alongside with me. When you click the link below, you will be brought to this web page, which is daycareworksheets.com. This is the letter E phonics worksheet. You just scroll down and there will be two links. The top link is a PDF that you can download and print, and the bottom one is a document that you can print directly from your browser. I'm going to click on the top one and it will open up the PDF that you can print for free. This worksheet does require scissor cutting, so if your child is still working on that skill and needs some help, please be available to help them so that they can complete this worksheet safely. Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to work on the letter E. The first thing we're going to do with this worksheet is put our name at the top. My name is Natalie, so I'm going to start with a capital N, and I'm going to do lowercase for the rest of my name. Okay, for the next part, we are going to trace the letter E. So to trace the letter E, you're going to start at this top corner of the letter. You're going to do a big line down. You're going to pick up your pencil, go back to that top corner. You're going to do one line across, do another line in the middle, and then one at the bottom. So that's the uppercase E. And for the lowercase e, we're going to start here where this line meets this curve. We're going to start here, we're going to take a right, we're going to go this way, and then we're going to kind of make a big circle, but we're not going to connect it. Alright, so now we are going to talk about the sound of the letter E, and most of the time the E makes a sound. So we're going to look at these pictures. There's an eye, a bunny, an elephant, and a spaceship. And we're going to ask ourselves what starts with the letter E. So let's look here at the bunny. What does bunny start with? Bunny, which is not the letter E. What about elephant? Elephant, which is the sound of the letter E. Is the sound of the letter E, so we're going to make a line to the elephant. What about spaceship? Spaceship. Okay, that is not the E sound. And then what about this? This is I, which actually that's a tricky one because sometimes the letter E makes other sounds. So I'm going to show you how we spell the word I, and you'll see that it does start with the letter E. Okay, so I'm going to write I, which is E-Y-E. This is the I that we see out of, which picture is right here. So if you see, I starts with the letter E. So that's a tricky one because it's not the typical sound for the letter E. So we have an I starts with the letter E, and an elephant starts with the letter E. And then we didn't make a line to the bunny or the spaceship. So the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to cut out these pictures, cut along these dotted lines, and we're going to ask ourselves whether the picture starts with the letter E. We're going to put it in the yes box, and if it doesn't start with the letter E, we're going to put it in the no box. This says yes, and this says no. Now, if you need help with scissor cutting, please ask your teacher or adult or a parent who's with you so that they can help you so that you can complete it safely. Okay, so we have 4 pictures here. We have a tree. What does tree start with? Tree, which is not the E sound. So we're going to put the tree in the no box. This says no. What about egg? Egg. Egg, which is the E sound. Is the E sound, so we're putting it in the yes box. And what about bird? Bird. B is not the E sound, so we're going to put it in no. And the last one is 8, which is another tricky one. So I'm going to write the word 8 on this paper. Okay, if you look here, remember we wrote I, which starts with E, and 8, the number 8, E-I-G-H-T, also starts with E. Even though it doesn't make the typical S sound, it's making an A sound. So we're going to put a yes here because 8 starts with E. Now we have this part. Oh, actually, let me glue these pictures on so they don't fall off. This is our uppercase E, and we're going to look at these letters in the circles and ask which one is a lowercase e. Is it this one, this one, this one, or this one? One of these is a lowercase e, and you can look up here, the uppercase e and the lowercase e, to help you find the lowercase e down here. Okay, I'm going to color the uppercase E. Let's see, I'll do this kind of red, brown color. I'm going to color this in. Now, that's the uppercase E. And now the lowercase e is this one. Did you say this lowercase e? I'm going to color them in so I have my uppercase e and my lowercase e colored. So this is our worksheet today. Thank you so much for doing all your great work, and I will see you next time for the letter F.